YayImages. Doing a quick critique for YayImages. Let me show you some real quick things that I've learned about YayImages and the two offers that they have at YayImages. One is an unlimited plan where you can, I'm not sure if you can, it's unlimited per day or unlimited meaning that you can do 10 photos a day. I don't know. You could ask them. They are just amazing support people. Now, the one that I opted for was this $199 and only 5 seats left. But I'm pretty sure you'll probably be able to still get in there on the $199, but I don't know. I get 10 downloads a day for life. Now, that is the kind of thing that I like. Also, I want to show you a little bit about this program. You can even look for Man on the Moon, or we can just go to YayImages and go straight off of some of the more popular things to have, like Ripe for Harvesting, and then contributors. Anna, we could check to see what her photos are. She's got 1 million photos. That's one way to go through it. We could just go man sitting on chair. How about that? And the nice thing about this is the bulk of these images are actually with model, and here's man sitting on chair. We can then do a orientation, which would be what type of picture do we want? Do we want it landscape, portrait, square, panorama? Oh, I can't even talk. It's late. I should have gone to bed a long time ago, but I just wanted to get this out to you. YayImages. It's an amazing program. Here's some other filters we can apply, and we can have the number of people that we want. What if we want 2 guys? Will we get 2 guys? Probably not, because I have man. How about men? Sitting on couch instead. And the other thing is this is fast. All right, I have 46 pages. Let's go with the people orientation. We go for 2. How many twosomes? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Then we have color. Pick a color. I guess that's for backgrounds or something. Oh, dominant color. That's what that is. What if we want the dominant color in the photograph to be green? Well, somewhat. Now, there's wedding pictures. We could look at wedding pictures. Just all sorts of ways to use this. I'm very happy with my purchase. Oh, and the reason why I chose this, I was thinking of getting a new camera. Instead of getting a camera, what I really wanted was the pictures that would come out of the camera. And just think about the time that I'm saving. Anyways, love you all. I hope you appreciate this review. If you liked it, give me a like down below and subscribe. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.